Hey guys, so for today's menu I will be making tomato egg soup, so stay tuned. So first thing first, you have to rinse all the ingredients. Then cut the tomato into big chunks. Slice the green onion into small pieces. Season the tomato and then mix well. Smash the garlic. And then peel off the skin. Trim the edge of the garlic. And then cut it into small pieces. Put some oil and then saute the garlic. Then saute the green onion as well. And then put the tomato. Season with salt and pepper and then mix well. Add soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then add some water. Add cornstarch that been dissolved for the thickness of the soup. Add more if you think it's not thick enough. Then add the beaten egg. And it's done! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, and share. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!